Life has a way of hitting hard. You show up, you push through, but deep down, you're tired. You're carrying things nobody sees. The truth is, you're barely holding it together. What if I told you you weren't meant to fight alone? In Luke 22, Jesus told Peter, Satan has desired to sift you like wheat, but I have prayed for you. And when you return, strengthen your brothers, not just surviving the sifting, but returning and coming back stronger. Welcome to the 2025 Brotherhood Retreat. Shaken but strengthened. Held at the original Glorious Church in Columbus, Ohio. A weekend built for men like you. Real food, real faith, real fellowship. Register now at ogc2030.org. Are you in?